Let us look at question number 6. It says you have to find the difference between two images. Now, to solve such kind of questions, what you need to have is presence of mind. At that point, you don't get a lot of time to solve the question. You don't get a lot of time to ponder upon and be stuck at one question. So it is very important to identify what can be the trick to solve the question. Okay, so how I solve it, I do divide into parts, different parts, and then I will see difference in one section. If in one section I can find, in another section I move forward, and then I divide it into certain parts and see differences if they are visible in each of these individual sections. So this is my approach of solving things. So let us see. Suppose in the first section I see, starting from the left I start. So I can see, I notice a difference between two. So you have to look at both the images simultaneously when you are solving this. Now let us move to the next section. Everything seems fine. This part, I can see there's a difference. Now let us move ahead. This person seems fine. Here I can notice a difference, probably in the mustache, yes. So in the mustache, you can see it's a little curved. Everything, the hand seems fine. Everything seems fine. The legs are fine. Okay, perfect. Let's move to the next section. I can notice here, there's this pocket that is missing from here. So let us move to the next section. This bar is fine. You have four hands. You have to know the intricate. You need to know the details. The earphones, yes, the earphones are missing in this portion. This person was wearing an earphone. Let us move forward. Everything seems fine. Yeah, there's a hand missing right here from this figure. Yes, let's move ahead. Let's see this section. Here I see, yeah, the person is wearing white. Here the person is wearing black. Now if I see, yes, one more noticeable difference is these spectacles that the person is wearing, or sunglasses as you call it. Let's move to the next section. Yeah, these bars are fine. And I move this lady sitting here, fine, and 4 bars, perfect. So I think these are all the differences I can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in total I can see 8 differences between both the images. So what is required in this question is for you to have a spontaneous reaction to how you can find the difference, and you can apply your own tricks. You can start from bottom down. You can you have to take both of the images simultaneously and then visualize it, and then you'll be able to easily attempt and solve these kinds of questions.